Here are some tips to improve your tutorial video metadata. Make sure your metadata is relevant to your video content. Use popular keywords in your niche to improve your chances of appearing in search results. Experiment with different description lengths to find what works best for your audience. To ensure that your YouTube metadata is effective in attracting views and clicks, consider the following factors. Title. Use a clear and compelling title that accurately describes your video content. Include relevant keywords and phrases to improve your SEO. Description. Write a detailed and informative description that gives viewers a good idea of what your video is about. Include relevant keywords and phrases, but avoid keyword stuffing. Tags. Use relevant tags that accurately describe your video content. Include popular keywords and phrases in your niche to improve your SEO.